and welcome. I'm here to talk to you about a very exciting opportunity for a product and a service. This is called System Architecture Optimization. Allow me to first explain these terms. A system is a complex grouping of interconnected systems which have complex interactions between them. An architecture is how to arrange or implement a system in space and in time. Optimization is how do you make it the best it can be. And that best can be cost, could be performance, could be low risk, or anything else you might choose. The challenge we've got with most system architecture optimization is that the complexity often exceeds a human and cognitive ability. So oftentimes when you're exploring different potential candidate architectures, it's hard to evaluate more than just a couple of those. So we don't really get the chance to optimize the entire space of possible solutions. So to develop a solution, we develop a technique here at IUPUI through the Richard G. Lugar Center for Renewable Energy to use artificial intelligence and modular models to be able to optimize the architecture to a fitness function determined by the user. The user says what's the most important and can rank those things in terms of cost, performance, risk, time to implement, and so forth, and then use the computer to optimize the architecture into the optimal configuration, meeting their requirements. Examples of this include the architecture for wiring inside of a vehicle. Many modern vehicles have as much as 35 independent computers on board. Those things are put in black boxes all over your vehicle. How do you wire those things? This is a very complex problem, and you want it to get as optimum as possible for weight as well as for manufacturing. So this is one application for this technology. Also, if you think about the aerospace, trying to pack everything into a satellite, or trying to put all the wiring and auxiliary functions into a commercial aircraft, these are other areas of architecture that can be solved by this artificial intelligence method. We can also use it for municipalities, whether they're studying a utility upgrade, perhaps a district heating circuit, urban renewal, or even adaptation or sustainability issues. We can optimize those to get the lowest cost and the best performance. So the value proposition is that this technology is improved over any others that are out there on the market from our surveys so far. It also exceeds the ability for humans to do the same type of work. So it's like a tool that extends our capabilities to solve harder problems. So artificial intelligence applied to the toughest problems of mankind, the future is here right now.